going on, everybody? How you doing today? So if you saw my previous video where I bought the Roomba 981 and it came in pretty much brand new condition with just a simple little scratch, I was like, you know what, this was a great deal, and they still have that, by the way. It's only 200 bucks. Anyways, so I thought I saw this one before, so I thought, you know what, if that thing came in such amazing condition, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this 692 as well. As you can see, I bought this last year for $200 around Prime Day, and I did some reviews on it. It's a really, really good robot vacuum. So the reason why I purchased it again is because look at this amazing, amazing price. $91.11. I actually got it for $85, so they raised it slightly. Packaging. Okay, so now this one will come in original packaging, but the one I bought is going to be repackaged. I still haven't opened it yet, but I did get it today. So in just a second, we're going to open up that box together and see the condition of one of these. This one they also have, I think when I looked it up, you're going to be shocked. They had like 800 of these available as used acceptable. So I think it's going to be in the same exact condition, almost brand new, maybe with a slight scratch. I bet you it's never even been used, but we'll find that out in just a few minutes. So if you're looking for a cheap iRobot Roomba that retails at $259, and you can get it right now for $91.11. That is such a fantastic deal on a really, really, really good random navigation robot. So without further ado, let's switch over to the box and we will see if it's in good condition, and I will let you know at the end of this video if they still have this in stock, which I believe they do because they had like 800 of them. And I also put a link down in the description. Just click that link and then do what I do here, go down and click on new and used for $91.11. It even got to me the next day, so pretty excited to see the condition of this, so let's do that. All right, everybody, it got delivered the next day. This is the Roomba 692. Remember, I paid $85 and some change for this. It's acceptable condition. It's supposed to have a scratch or two on it, and it is reboxed. So let's see if $85 was worth the purchase. This retails right now for around $250. So what a drastic discount. The previous video I did with the Roomba 981, that thing came and it was in perfect condition, minus one tiny scratch, never even been used, and I saved 150 bucks by buying it from the Amazon warehouse. So not sure if this can be the same case. This is definitely, it's supposed to be reboxed, but it sounds like they just threw everything randomly in the box. I'm not sure, I haven't opened it yet. So let's see what Amazon reboxed means and if this is gonna be in great condition like the 981. What do you guys think? A little bit of protection. Some airbags. So I wouldn't so much call this as reboxed, because I mean, yes, it's in a box. This is more the shipping box, so I expect it to come in like a refurbished box or something. Not that it really matters. I'm just showing you guys what you're going to be getting at the $85 to $91 price. So of course we have the dock. Let's see if this one looks used compared to the 981. Very good condition. Might show a little bit more usage than that one did, but that's totally fine at 85 bucks. Here's the power cord. And of course the main unit. Now is this guy gonna be perfect? Or is it gonna be used or really scratched up? Let's find out. All right, so let's take a look. So it definitely looks more used. You can definitely see a little bit of scuffing and some basically swirl marks on the body. Yeah, this one has definitely been used. So it's got a little bit of scuffing there. Looks like some drywall or something. and you flip it over. And yeah, okay, so I mean, that's totally fine. It's been used for 85 bucks. I was hoping it was gonna be pretty much brand new like that one. That's definitely not the case. However, these rollers are very clean. I don't really see any hair, or it's really not that dirty. It's kind of weird, there's a little zip tie in there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Not sure why there's a zip tie. Let's take a look. Huh. Do you guys have any idea why there's a zip tie? I don't think that's supposed to be there. I'm gonna cut it out and see. I don't know, it's really weird. See? All right, why there would be a zip tie, I have no clue. Nothing's loose. Very odd. But both rollers are very clean. The inside of this is very clean, but it does definitely show signs of use, which is fine. Let's check out the dirt bin. And the dirt bin, once again, looks used, but it looks like they replaced the filter, or at least cleaned it very well. So I would say if I got this, well, which I did for $85, or even the $91.11 right now, I'm pretty happy. It's definitely doesn't look damaged. It's a little bit dirty, a little bit scuffed up, but that's what I expected. And I would not consider this acceptable. I would probably consider this almost like new. So there you have it, the Roomba 692 for $85. I've tested this on my channel. I bought this last fall for right at $200. So the fact that it's much less than I even paid is amazing. It's a very good vacuum. It does an exceptionally good job cleaning if you're good with just a random navigation robot. This one's more made for small houses or small apartments, maybe 1 room or 2 rooms that you want to clean. But in a certain room, it'll do a great job, as good as any robot vacuum, really. All right, I'm gonna throw a link down in the description. Hope you enjoyed that video. A reminder, I'm really getting close to 10,000 subscribers. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway right at 10,000 subs. I'm probably, now that I think about it, I already have one of these. I just really wanted to see if this is gonna be as good condition as the 981. It's not quite as good as that, but it still looks like it's in very good condition. I'll charge it up, do a quick test, make sure everything's functional. But I was thinking maybe I'll give away this one and maybe the 981. Let me know down in the comments if you guys would be happy with either one of those. Your odds would be a little bit better if I do 2 of them. And yeah, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.